People, when I remember that woman there, I can't even talk loud. I come like a me, she come and lay wait, you know. The woman that we help in the wheelchair. Yeah. See her there? Night nurse, 7 bar. Night nurse. Remember that woman there in the wheelchair? She's supposed to be the first recipient on the program, but me never, on the give back, but me never see her. And me end up give the next brother in the wheelchair, where them did can up after him come out a defend him woman where them do a try for RAPE. Yeah man. See her there, you know, and me come out and do a video till me start the intro of the video. And me have to stop because she come crutch at the car because she know the car and she knows say yes, so me live. Watch her go down the road now. And the boiling sun, you know. Watch her through the bush, watch her through the bush. No, me know where Dana go through. No, me know. No, me know when 99 go through to Rasta Jack. Cause I come like I mean the woman come and clutch pan, you know. And she don't know one of the worst thing that she come out come do. One of the worst things she can't do me, come on my gate, come clutch. You won't get me to help you that way then. You understand? Yeah. If it's a thing where she out a door and come out come see her, it's a different thing. But don't come on my gate. I'm not going to make you do me like you do Dana. You must be mad. Don't come on my gate. If you did, me come out now and buck her up. Yeah, I would say, well, go on the storm after the storm or whatsoever and do something for you. But once you come on my gate, I not do nothing for you because you're going to continue to come. Yeah man, once you come on my gate people, I not do nothing for you. Don't do that. Don't do that. If me there, you see, if it's a case where me there go out a door and buck her up, then no people, man I change zinc off my house after him find out like one a leak after the hurricane last night. You don't know people are go around and you know, them switch part, them have a little leakage, them a try change, plus cleaning up a go on, you know, whole heap a little cleaning up. The place hot and sunny, but the place kind of, the clouds still bleaky. Yeah man, me not go broke them bad. Cause boom now me go out there now. Cause me know me she a clutch pan. Cause she know the car. Right? Cause when me meet her, right, as when I meet her, she see the car, me point out the car to her, say, until you see me come with the car, I go drive, plus I eat me drive, go deliver her grocery. And the last time when the bun and cheese in a Easter, I eat me go a night nurse. Remember when they did send a thing for her? Yeah, so she know the car like that and she know exactly so I have somebody there because on my road she take when she go on the Mullines road, which part she go hang out for, you know, for try get $1. Yeah, so she know exactly. So me don't know which part she come from. I see her come on for the main road just as me come on for do a video for the main channel. See her come round and she come catch at the car. She catch at the fence and look in all along and me and see her but she not see me. So I didn't know and said, I'm going to start the video, yeah. I not make him start me. But just as me I go start the video now for the main channel, she that come round now, come catch behind the car. So I could not talk because if I talk, she go hear me. You understand? So I have to just cut the video and say, alright, I got time her and video her. Just to show her really, you know. This is a start of me doing something wrong. If me if go out the to her and go give her something. That would be a start of me doing something wrong. Because knowing that she come there willfully, purposefully, despite you might in a little need after the storm or whatsoever, you see, when sometimes you use your soft heart to serve the people, it come back around to haunt you. I could have go out there now and say, what happened? And she said, boy, I'm going to my pocket and I give her $1,300 or $4,000. She start make it be an habit. And this is how it end up at 99. And me not want it end up here, so. I wish part ever me I go there or live. You understand? If you see me out the road, it's a different thing. Don't come at my yard. Me never invite you at my yard. Me never tell you come check me. Don't come. Don't pull up on me. Better you stay one distant and lay wait me. If so be the case. But don't come at me gate. Stay one distant and watch me till me come out and you say, hey, Then now, me will tell myself say probably you play smart. And me I lay with, but at the same time, you never damn it, so it never evident say yes and me you come to. You understand? So that's how it go. Probably one other day I see her, I might ask her how she do and give her something in her pocket or so. But me not gonna start that thing there, that trend there. Then probably every other week me see her pull up on my gate. No sir. Anyway people, me I go back to my video where me do on the main channel. Cause over that the video there boy when me I do boy. Me don't know, you know what? We don't look out. At least when you not see this that video they post already. So we don't have to look out. Me I go back to my video. Alright. People look on her through the bush. She come back up the road and chat to herself, you know. Oh, them a boil big pot of soup, this, that. And I don't know what she talk about. Well, the guy, some, like she say, them want to give things in time you pass like that can bring you back. Watch her come through and just look through the bush, see her there? See color. Look on her. Me have to pause, me have to stop the video when I do a while ago for the main channel. Work this shit give me no because I just want to see her come back. Just look on her. I don't know if you can hear her, listen. She said the people them a pray if you see the storm come to blow off fear things them. You hear her laugh to herself. What I may tell you, this is why we are say boy. Like she hear me. What go on there?
Hello.
Yeah, what you say? She here.
Eh?
Him not there, I'm going on the road. Okay. No, that's not a TV man. That's the radio station man. Yeah, you have a radio station man who used to live over here, but him not live here anymore again. Oh, me talk like who? The TV man? The TV man and my brother man. Life is a what? Oh, Life is a Mission TV.
Hello.
Me know him here talk man, but him not there. Are him here come and look for?
Yes.
Him not there. Me tell him, what your name again? Janet. Alright, me will tell him say me see your pass, see her? The lady in a wheelchair. Alright. You miss him? You miss him friendship? Are you a friend? Are you a good friend? Oh, him do good for you? Alright, me make him know when him come here. Oh, you pass through and look for him. So, oh, you understand? Oh, him fi pass through and look for you? Okay, so, oh, you understand? It look like you're alright now, Storm, still, cause... Oh, you don't worry about Storm? That's a true. If it for blow off, you can't stop it for true. Yeah, at least your house stop spare though. Oh, the concrete house them shield your house. Oh, so it protect your house. Yeah. Yeah man, God always know what I do, you know. It's a mighty God we serve, you know. And the water they can't easily wipe up. Give thanks and praise it never more and that we have flood out, you know. Oh, you go up on the road, go see where I go on. Alright, big up yourself and the TV man come me tell him. Where name again? Life, no, when say Life is a mission. Oh, Life is a Mission TV. Alright. Me I make him know, yeah? So if anything, me make him come check you. Alright, bless up. And watch the road, because the weather not done yet neither, you know, so as soon as you can come home back, you come home back. Anything you grab and can come home back, cause you might not get no storm, you know, but after storm, you know, it always be a calm, might come with water. Come with a lot of rain. Oh, you're not hearing no radio or nothing, so that's why you come out. Oh, you're not on the radio? So you have current around there for plug in the radio?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because right now battery radio can't work, you know, because somebody like you have to go buy battery often.
Okay, no. I did that say last night, the time I see light come on back, I said, but it look like I'm about to storm because the light come on back already.
Oh, when the light go away and come back, you say no bad storm because the light come. Well,
Yeah.
JPS it promise say them are going to lock it off whenever it seems fit, and when it seems fit for them turn it on back, so probably I just that. Yeah. Alright, me I gotta tell him say if anything I can buy you one little radio. I make him buy you one little radio. Cause you say you have current, so I will tell him I make him buy you one little radio. Yeah? Alright, safe travel upon the gravel. And as me say, anything you earn, me case come back before the rain catch you out there. Alright. People, the last time. Yeah. Okay. People, I can't even reveal myself here now. Because if I reveal myself and go out there, now. As I say, I can't make you take it as a habit and come. Because I know what she look for. Because normally when she travel on the road, she just pass and go up the road, take her time and go where she go. But me see her look in the yard and she come behind the car and she looking, so me know me she look for. But we can't go out there to her because I don't want where did I reach 99 reach me where she start come here. You understand? So when me I go do now, me might just get her there too. Probably tomorrow I go circle her. You know? Well, me probably can't buy a radio right now for get her, but probably tomorrow I circle her and go get her money in her hand. Me don't go buy no groceries, just go drop off a little money in her hand, whether I want 2,000 or so, and make she go on with it. You understand? But what I tell you, the struggle is real. I'm sure no. See how there? See how the struggle is real. Sometimes we have more lines with one little shop she go, you know. And sometimes she end up like she can't reach the shop, she will stop out at the end of the next road. So any car pass, she take her thing, them will stop and give her a thing. Because most of the car man them kind of get used to her. Yeah. The struggle is real, people. Night nurse. See your friend there. I don't know if you want to reach out, you know, night nurse. If you are citizen and want to reach out, you don't know the link. You can just put it through me and I will deal with it as we did do the last time. If, remember, it's if no night nurse, remember, if. Tire, a bearing. Look on it, the right wheel not have no tire. I can't even make you see me, people. The right wheel not have no tire, bearing. Akins just have fear shoot that I go up the road. Why people me I tell you, struggle is real. Tomorrow I say I can circle still and get a thing with I want 2 grand and so it might not enough, but it better than none at all. Might not enough, but it better than none at all. And then I say I can work on one little radio for her. I dem not buy no big radio where them can take we go sell. I buy one radio where them look on it and although you know, I go say boy, I go buy one radio. When a man see that the radio him dey even want look on it for say thief it because no man nah give more than $10 for it. But if man a thief man things a value millions and I sell it for 1,000. Why? Him just want to know him get a food at the time. You understand? That's all him want to know. But me can't go check her today. Tomorrow I circle her. I'm going to give her 2 grand. You know? And no say I saw it go. But I can't go to her right now, people. Honestly, if I go to her right now, I'm going to cause something where I don't want to happen. You understand? And you have to protect yourself. If you don't protect yourself, who are going to protect you? You understand? And we have seen what has happened over and over at 99 Mountain View. I don't want that at me. I don't run charity. I just have to do what good deeds to people, you know, by giving back. You understand? Simple as that. Anyway, big up on yourself. When you see that video, if you don't want to reach out, you don't know if you get to me. You understand? Because the last time she have one little daughter, I realized I fear her daughter, a little daughter, one of them little shaky daughter, them, man. I'm tell you, grieve me because I still pan all on the road that go on like say, this or that or mother in this condition and would even reach out. Or probably want to take the liquor where she have to. You understand? But you know, a life. It is just life. That's why them say you can't put all your trust in your pitney them. You have to just do what you have to do for them and hope that them come out to be the best. If you have 2, 3, 4, if I have 1, to come out to be the best. So when you're reaching a certain age and certain condition and certain lifestyle reach you, they are there for you. That's all you can hope for because remember there is no law that states that they should be there for you. You understand? You have to just hope that they will be there for you. Alright, my people, big up on yourself. Life is a mission, people. Just continue to do like, share and subscribe to the channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. If you can't physically assist by watching the ads and watching the channel, you also give your support because whatever I gain from the channel, that is what I take to give back and the mountain in my give back. So you still contribute. If you don't have it, if you go in your pocket physically and take out a $5, $10, $100 or $200 and say, okay, this is it. By watching the channel, supporting the channel, hit that like button, you know, share the videos, share the link of the channel to other friends so we can gain more supporters, subscribers to, you know, to watch more and can watch the channel and watch the ads so the channel can gain a revenue so I can give back. You know, that's how you play your part if you can't physically go in your pocket. Kudos to the people who can send a 10 or 20 or 25 or 30 or 100 or 50 or 200 whatever way to assist, no problem. And remember now, I am not running a charity and you don't have to do it. It's just that people were pressing me for a long while. How can they send me something? Because you know, hear me explain that every day. And I think hard about it before I even do it because I never want to get entangled with nobody in a social media because you say this, it's not nice. If you don't feel like you don't see nothing yet, when you don't go over speak my channel, or because of YouTube guideline and I can't do certain things and then I have so much respected, you know, subscribers and supporters over here. I have to keep it on a down low. But who know me personally know say this not nice. This never cut long way, so it cut cross way. Alright? I don't know what that mean. So me never think of doing it and then me think hard and I said no. Why so much needy people would be out here? You know, when me see. Because me as a man, me believe in a giving to the needy and not the greedy. You have some people them have things, but just like how one day me I give you the 2 little box of grocery. And people see me I give it away. So what me even when we go give the man on the church lane the last Monday, the girl wanna see come out and say, your video, my son say your video, and me I tell her yes. So you can't pack one box, come give me 2. You understand? You can't be needy and tomorrow morning You get up, probably gonna party, artist hairstyle, nails, or you gonna lie down comfortable with a spooky, and spooky and make one another baby. No! You need it, you're not supposed to contented in doing those stuff until you're comfortable. Not saying you can't need it, because it need it have different levels. Then put it this way. But if you say storm come on tomorrow morning, you don't know where the storm are going to bring and you don't have no food. But eat still, the eve before the storm, and probably the man we are going to do with, him can't even give you $1,000 say go buy 2 pounds of sugar and 2 pounds of flour. But you're going to lie down with him. What kind of nerves, what kind of mind you have, how contented you have to enjoy that? You understand? But me, I want to buy a little grocery. All because you see me, I give somebody who is in more need than you. You understand? And this is why I say me give to the needy and not the greedy. You understand? So it's not a charity, but when you feel to assist because you say you want to give me, when you give me, I take the gift and give back to the needy. Me can buy a pound of rice, enough of them can even buy a quarter pound. You understand? So, that is it. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching again. Come to the end of another video. Alright? Life is a Mission TV. Subscribe, share, like, leave your comment. Press the post notification bell so you get notified when a video drop. And remember, watch the ads. I'm out.